Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing a headlight cover on my bike. Just a small mod, and this is what it's looking like, guys. So I'll be honest with you, I'm not a real fan of these headlight covers, but I'm going to give it a shot just because of where I live. It's, this constant rocks and debris flying up, and I just don't want it to have a chance of cracking it. So we'll give it a try and see what it's like. So what I'll do, guys, is I'll show you the parts it comes with. So we have these pieces here, which is obviously going to attach to the side. And then it comes with the little screws and bolts that we'll use to attach it here, and then one in the center. So let's get started on it. So what we have there are these brackets. We need to attach these brackets on the side. They're basically going to go like this from behind, like so. And then you've got the two little screws here with washers. These actually have a thread in them. So it's basically you're going to put the screw with the washer and thread it through like this. So we're going to use an Allen key for this. This one here is a 4 to get this tightened up. What I think I'll do, guys, is I think I'll put a little bit of thread lock around these just to make sure, because of the vibration being a single cylinder, it doesn't, vibrate loose. So we'll put a little thread lock around here and we'll get these installed first. All right, so I put a little blue Loctite on these and got the washer on there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to feed this through here. All right, repeat it on this side. All right, let's repeat this on the other side, yes? All right, guys, these are installed with the Loctite and I snugged them down. Now, for the bike itself, you're going to be attaching these on the side here, like so, a bolt through here and a bolt through here. And through the center, you're going to be putting this one through, and it's going to be basically a spacer underneath. So let's get to the bike and get it ready to install on the bike. All right, guys, we're at the bike. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to do like a dry fit just to kind of see, make sure everything lines up. There's going to be something kind of like this, like so. So guys, I've ran into a bit of an issue here. As you can see on this side here, it sits flush and everything looks fine. But I'll show you the other side where the actual issue is. So as you can see, guys, that I showed you on the other side, this piece here that comes down is supposed to sit flush. But here there's actual lip on the plastic here. So if you line that up like that, it actually overextends here, which causes a gap, which there's no way this bolt is going to be able to go through here without putting stress on this and on the side of the windshield here. So unfortunately, what I'm going to have to do is probably like trim a piece off the edge here to make this fit over this lip here. So when you go, when you're using ones that are a little bit cheaper made, then basically you're going to be obviously having some QC or an imperfection. So this is the case with this one. So let's go ahead and let's trim a piece off here and try to get this to fit on. So guess I got to go grab a hacksaw. All right, guys, so I just put a little bit of tape on here. So when I use the hacksaw, and I just put a little marker across here, I'm just going to take off just the edge of it. And the tape is here, so basically try not to scratch up this metal as much as I can. So we're going to make a cut here with the hacksaw. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. All right, that's cut off. Let's try to line it up and see how it goes. All right, guys, so you can see after the cut that this lines up fairly well. Now we'll go ahead and try to install it. All right, guys, so we need to remove these bolts because we're going to be using these to go through the piece and attach it. And then once we have these removed, we'll start attaching it to the windshield. So let's do that now. All right, guys, so you want to put the washer on there. You want to feed this through like so. And then you want to put on this black spacer. And then you want to put on this little black spacer that came off the screw here. And let's get it into position here. What we'll do is just slightly tighten it up just to get everything lined up first. Not too much, just a little bit, like so. Now we'll put the bolts on each side over here. All right, guys, so not too tight, just to get it on there so we can check the position, everything. We'll do the other side. All right, guys, so it's on. I've tightened everything down. What I'll do is I'll show you the side where I made the cut and show you how it fits. So show you that now. All right, so this is where I cut it off, guys. As you can see now, it sits flush against the back, and it's perfect. All right, guys, it's installed. Everything's snugged down. And I have to be honest with you, I'm not really digging the look of it. But, you know, since I took the time to install it, I will run it for now. So that's it for now, guys. Hope to catch you guys in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.